Welcome class, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis, as the topic is, volumetric analysis this is the calculation of the volume used in chemical reaction. In order to carry out the volumetric analysis experiment, you will need the standard solution. The standard solution is the solution of volume concentration. And in order to do that, you need the primary standard. The primary standard is a substance that can get a high purity. Example of such are potassium carbonate 4 and we have our potassium hydrogen definite. And remember that the primary solution must not be lubricant. The lubricant substances are substances that absorb moisture from the atmosphere to form the solution. And it must not be hygroscopic also. And hygroscopic is a substance that absorbs moisture from the atmosphere without forming the solution. So back to my topic, volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis involves titration, and titration involves reaction between an acid and a base, which is called neutralization. So any process whereby an acid reacts with a base to form a salt and water is called neutralization. And this formula will be used a lot to calculate the concentration of acid used. This is the mole ratio of acid to base. The mole ratio of acid to base. So this formula will be used a lot. This C over C2 equals to N and N. So I'm going to think that I would like to illustrate how the titration will be, because the titration experiment we will not explain to you at that period. So I'm taking my time now to explain to you. So in the titration experiment, let me draw. So this is how titration experiment will look like. This is called a burette. This is called a burette. This is called a burette. A burette is made up of A burette is made up of glass, and that the common glass is called Pyrex. This is borosilicate. So this burette is usually measured from 0.00 mark to 50 mark. Meaning that you fill the burette, like you fill the acid inside the burette to the 0.0 mark, then you start to release it. You pipette your alkali, which is your soluble base, inside this conical flask. Then you add an indicator. An indicator is any substance that changes color according to the pH of the region. So after doing this now, you now construct your table. You construct a table. The table of value will look like this. You have our raw, our first item, then second item. Then you have our final, our initial, and volume of acid use. So this initial point in the burette usually to two decimal places, which is 0.00. Then let's say we start to release the burette. Then when we release the burette, we will start the color change at 30.10. Then we'll subtract now the 30.10. Your titration experiment might not give you enough acid. Let's say we refill the acid back to 2.22 mark. Then we start to release, observe the color change at 20.223. So then we subtract. This will be 1, 0, 8, 1. Let's say we refill it again to 2.20. Then we observe the color change at 20.20. This will be 0.8. So having doing this, we now look for the average volume used. At the average is we had 18, we had our 18.01 plus 18. The average of the acid is 18.01 plus 0.81 plus 18 over 2. Then we have it to be 36.01 divided by 2. So that is what we have our 18.005. So the average is the average volume used. The average. So this information to set centimeter cube. This is the volume of acid used. Having doing this, there are set of precautions you have to take. The first precaution is to let me explain this so I will illustrate it. Is to avoid the error of parallax. So such is like this. Let's say this is the burette. This is the burette. So the meniscus of the water is at this point. Let's say you're observing your eyes there. Your eyes should be looking at the lower meniscus of the water, of the acid rather. So you should avoid looking at this point. You should look at the downward meniscus. So you should raise your breath, with like your breath with the acid that you use. And I'll make sure that the tap is closed when I point the breath. So after doing this, I hope I come to the end of this topic. Kindly subscribe to the channel to see